Hey food lovers! Ever craved that tangy, zesty Japanese ginger salad dressing you get at restaurants?
I'm here to show you how to make it at home, with a twist. This enhanced version is going to elevate your salads to a whole new level. Let's dive in. First up, the ingredients.
You'll need fresh ginger root, finely grated, about 2 tablespoons. 1 medium-sized carrot, peeled and finely chopped. 1/4 to half a medium onion, red or white, finely minced. 1 small stalk of celery, finely chopped. 2 teaspoons of sugar, adjust to your taste. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, depending on how salty you like it. 1 tablespoon of soybean or sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, rice or apple cider, and a teaspoon of tomato paste for that extra depth of flavor. Let's get started. First, prepare your ingredients. Peel and finely grate the ginger. Finely chop the carrot, onion, and celery. Now combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Mix the grated ginger, chopped carrot, minced onion, and celery. It's already looking so vibrant. Next, add in the seasonings. Mix it all up until everything is well combined. Once you're happy with the taste, store the dressing in a glass jar or an airtight container. Give it a taste and see if it needs more soy sauce or sugar. Time to adjust the flavors. This is your dressing, so make it perfect for you. Pop it in the refrigerator and let those flavors meld together. Here are some pro tips. Use high-quality soy sauce for that deep umami flavor. Adjust the sweetness with sugar to balance the tanginess. If you like a thicker dressing, add a bit more tomato paste. Now, how to use this delicious dressing. Drizzle it over fresh greens for a refreshing salad. Or try it over grilled chicken or steamed vegetables for a burst of umami and freshness. Remember, the base of your dressing can be vinegar, oil, or soy sauce. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your perfect blend. A dreamy, mystical Japanese ginger salad dressing made right in your kitchen. And there you have it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.